In this video, I will show you how to add a debit card to your Cash App. First things first, locate and open the Cash App on your mobile device. To begin linking your debit card, tap on the profile icon, located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down slightly until you find an option labeled Linked Banks. Tap on Linked Banks to proceed with adding your debit card. Now, look for and select Link Debit Card. This will allow you to enter your debit card details directly into Cash App. You'll see several fields that need to be filled out. Start by entering your debit card number in the designated space. Next, input the expiration date of your card. This is typically found on the front of your debit card. After that, move on to enter the 3-digit CVV code from the back of your card. Lastly, type in your billing zip code associated with this debit card. Once all information has been accurately entered, double-check everything for any errors. If everything looks good, tap Link Card. Congratulations! You've successfully linked your debit card to Cash App. Linking an external account like a debit card allows users greater flexibility. It enables seamless movement of funds in and out of their Cash App balance, making transactions faster and easier than ever before. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.